Hey, this is Morgan Titus, Sales Manager for America's Home Place here at Greenville, South Carolina. We're here in the Berglund Modern Farmhouse, which is actually one of our models that you can walk through here on site in Greenville. We at America's Home Place offer you a bunch of different options for appliances, and what you see here is the dishwasher, the range, and the microwave. Those three appliances are included in the base price of the house. They come in white, black, or stainless steel. America's Home Place always works hard to make sure you have manufacturers that come with good long warranties and good customer service. In some cases, you'll even be able to credit back the appliances if you want to get some specific appliances. We'll work together to make sure that all the cabinets fit perfectly around your appliances so there's no weird gaps or anything like that. We want it looking good and working well for you. We invite you to come out and tour our models and take a look at the appliances that we actually have out here. That'll help you know which ones you're looking for, and we'll help you plan to make sure you get the right ones. Until you're actually able to come out and visit us online at America's Home Place, and we're excited to get back in touch with you and help you get things started.